this is Sandy Harris at Smith Lake RV and Cabin Resort, and I want to talk to you about cabins and upgrades here at the resort. We do all sorts of things, different materials. We custom build these to suit each customer. And this is going to show you some of the upgrades we have available when you're choosing finishes, when you do your cabin here with us. This is a 2-story, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This one's approximately 1,450 square feet, and it's a great getaway for this family. They originally saw us when they were living in Illinois, and now they live in Texas. They have no plans on selling this lot, but very, very nice choices. The wife came in and she had ideas of what she wanted. She found on Pinterest, and we were able to recreate those for her with our together with our cabinet maker, Rocky Hill Cabinet Maker. That's Robert Waldrop. Did a great job. They wanted some real wood beams, some tree beams. Did a totally different look with the tin on the back of the steps here and the rebar going up. We have barnwood around the window casings and up top there. And then of course this is the tongue and groove pine finish on the walls, which is very popular. We can whitewash it, which will keep it from yellowing. You can, usually we'll do 1 or 2 coats and then we wipe it off so it's not totally white. But look how pretty that is, the granite countertops, and then of course you choose your appliances and your fans and all the little extras. You'll actually work with our cabinet maker. You'll go onto a shop and you'll look at the different woods he has, and then he'll do swatches of different colors. So you can, bring it back to the cabin and try to figure out exactly what color you want. Now this is a great room back here for entertaining. This started out as a screened-in porch, and then later they realized that they would rather be able to use it for 4 seasons, so we have a 4 seasons room here and have a nice little view of the pond back here in phase 2. Little concrete in the back where the fire pit sits, but just a nice area to entertain. A lot of these folks, when they come in, they bring family and friends with them. So they've got their RV sitting beside this cabin, which gives them more space. Now, if you're a person that wants to travel and wants a home base, that's a lot of who we see here as well. You can set your Class A motor coach or whatever it is you like to travel in and right beside your cabin, and you can just use this and stay gone most of the time and know that your grass is going to be cut. Somebody's going to be keeping an eye on your place. So we have a custom bathroom here. The lady that purchased this, she designed this bathroom, a little bit different. She worked with our cabinet maker on the cabinets in there. Really pretty look. And she went with the concrete floors, which a lot of people do. Of course, we have all kinds of flooring choices. There's some really pretty floors out there right now. That is a custom shower. Ceramic tile. Get to work with some of our suppliers, and we have a lady named Joyce who's just wonderful at helping you match things up and show you all kinds of things that they have in the store here. But that's one person I just always look forward to working with. And then there's a bedroom down here. A lot of folks like to have a bedroom. They're master downstairs, and some will do theirs upstairs. So these stairs here, the wood was done by our cabinet maker. He roughed it up. It's not sure what this wood is, but it looks great. And on the back, on the risers, they actually have an old tin look. And these upstairs are great when the kids and the grandkids come. It gives you a place to have them here for the week, let them be comfortable. Look how pretty this is. And it's so fun to see how people decorate them when they're finished. You can't beat a lake getaway here on beautiful Smith Lake. People just love this lake. It's clean, have a lot of water sport here. Here's another custom done bathroom, just a little different than downstairs. But this lady worked with a cabinet maker. She found something she absolutely loved, and Robert Waldrop put it together for her. This one has been left open, so this is really, a lot of people like this look, but we can close this area up and make it more private if you'd rather have that. So when you come to visit, I can show you cabins done both ways. If you want to know more about cabins or talk about your cabin plan with us, you can call me at 256-636-1539, and we will look at your plan. You can bring it here with you, or you can choose from one of our plans. We can walk you through some cabins and let you have a look. Our website is www.smithlakervresort.com. If you want a brochure and pricing and more information, just send me an email to info@smithlakervresort.com. This is easy lake living. If you want to enjoy life, you're still active, this is a great place to consider. Come join us. We have a golden ticket stay. If you own an RV and you're coming out of state, we'll let you stay one time here on the golden ticket stay. So just give me a call, Sandy Harris, at 256-636-1539. Have a great day.